HotMamaTravel!
Hi everyone and welcome to the channel, HotMamaTravel. Tonight we're taking you to Illuminate Silverlakes, a fun and exciting Christmas party of the night that has 50 all-inspiring light installations, illumination trail, food, Christmas market, Santa meet and greets, and a lot more. The kids are cookie decorating right now. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's get into the video.
Christmas and a happy new year. Now bring us a piggy pudding. Now bring us a piggy pudding. Now bring us a piggy pudding and bring it right here. Glad tidings we bring to you and your kin. Glad tidings for Christmas and a happy new year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings.
Hey, which one are you gonna pick? And there's also cute cookies here, gingerbread cookies. S'more kit over here, Kevin, did you see? You want to get a s'more kit? Kent probably wants one. Get a peppermint. Let's get one of these.
I'm taking the brownie.
Okay, you get the brownie.
Which one should I get?
Get whatever you want. Whatever looks good. Hey, Kentos,
What?
look what I got you. I got you a s'more kit.
Wow.
Are we gonna make s'mores tonight at the fire pit?
Yeah.
Yay!
Peppermint cheesecake.
The peppermint cheesecake. How is the peppermint cheesecake?
It's actually really good. Seems like something that would taste good, but it tastes really good.
How does peppermint and cheesecake together not sound good?
Peppermint's like kind of spicy, right?
But it's also sweet.
It's not spicy, but like, you know what I mean? It's minty.
How's your brownie?
It's a peppermint brownie.
It is? Can I have a bite?
Bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you. Treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I see some nice dancing over there. With every Christmas song I write, may your days be merry and bright. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
Dance!
Just like the ones I used to know.
All right, how is it, Keely, Kevin? Yes. Oh, okay. I got the tamale. I'm gonna try the tamale.
All right, we did a little food break.
Yeah. So
What'd you get?
I got the tamale. I'm sharing that with my mom. I'm gonna get a soup bowl as well. We haven't taken that last though.
Maybe we'll do that after we walk around a little bit because the line, there's a little bit of a line.
Everyone say Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, it's so good to see the both of you. So, Santa, I heard that you're going to be over in Santa's village, where you are excited to meet everyone.
Yes, I am. I can't wait to meet all the children and all the lovely families. Come and see me. It's wonderful.
And you have even arranged that everyone here gets a free photo digital download, right? Hey, that's great!
And Mrs. Claus has baked cookies for cookie decorating at Mrs. Claus's cottage, right?
Absolutely. We also have coloring pages. And don't forget to make your list out for Santa and put it in Santa's mailbox. All right, let's go. Let's have fun.
Everyone say cookies, cookies. That's right. We have wonderful entertainment lined up. Cookies, great food, but we're missing something. Yeah, that's right. We need to light the lights. A little illumination. Are you ready? We need everyone's help. We are all going to count to 3 together to light the lights. So, drum roll, please. Wow, he can hear me. Are you ready? As loud as you can. 1, 2, 3. Happy holidays, everyone. Enjoy your evening here at Illuminate Silverlakes.
Hey guys, what are you guys doing?
We're cookie day.
Yay! Ooh, what color are you guys gonna do? Kentos, you wanna help? Do yours? How's the cookie? Oh, are you choking on your cookie? Oh, careful, don't choke.
The whole cookie's in your
We're taking the kids to see Santa. Are you excited to see Santa?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited to see Santa?
Yeah.
Have you been a good boy?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Bye.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Ooh, I bet you're nervous.
I got a.
To see Santa?
Hang on.
Have you been a good boy this year?
I have an important announcement.
Yeah.
I got spiked hot chocolate, and it's very good.
Wait, you can get spiked hot chocolate?
This one wants a phone.
Oh, yeah.
They say that you're paying for the service. Is that correct? Because I'm not.
Amanda, where are we going?
Oh, great. I'm going into the electric forest. Woo!
That sounds
Where
fun.
there's a bunch of electrified trees. Electrified trees, that sounds weird.
And electric eels.
A lot of, I guess, electric trees. Yeah, they're not real trees. They're illuminated trees.
All right.
And
Illuminate
there's
is the
apparently some
event.
snowfall.
This is what it's all about.
Wow! Wow! Look, a reindeer behind you! There's a reindeer behind
Queso!
Yay! Okay.
Good job.
Thank you. Okay.
Good smile, Kent. I love it.
Okay, we're waiting for the snow.
What is this?
This is the electric forest. So now we're waiting for the snowfall.
Snowflakes are present. That's a huge present.
What'd you tell Santa that you wanted?
Oh, I'm the adventure giggles, kitty giggles, and all the
I tricked you. You're not supposed to tell what you told Santa. Now that means you're not going to get it. You're not supposed to tell anyone. It's a secret. Uh-oh. You're going to get no presents now. How do you feel about that?
Bad.
Yeah, that sucks. Mama, I tricked Kevin, or Kent. He told me what he wanted for Christmas from Santa, and now he's not going to get any of it because he told a person. It's supposed to be a secret. Well, maybe you'll get an apple in your stocking. You like apples?
Yeah.
Okay, you'll get an apple in your stocking, maybe.
No, it is not. It is snowing.
Maybe you'll get a chicken pot pie for Christmas. You like chicken pot pie?
What is that? What's chicken pot pie? What is that?
Chicken pot pie.
Right. You get.
It's snowing. The snow. It's snowing right now, and Mom is like, no, they're just blowing it off the thing.
Blowing the stuff on bubbles on the other trees.
No, it's not. It's snowing.
We're not leaving until it snows. Cocktail and some snacks here in the little VIP lounge here. It's so cute. It's got Christmas movies playing, a food and a bar, and then they got some cozy little seating areas as you can see behind me. Right here, the little fireplace and leather chairs and buildings, and then there's fire pits outside where the kids are roasting their s'mores. Do you like it? Okay, so you take a bite. Let me see you take a bite of that s'more. You all done? All done?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh. Say hi. Do you like your cookie? Oh, what did Daddy get? They have mac and cheese. Yummy. Claire, you want some mac and cheese? Yeah, Daddy. Mac and cheese? Our night here at Illuminate Silverlakes. If you did, give the video a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.